Hey everyone, Alex Quinn here with Arc NRV Edmonton. Today we're gonna go over the new 2026 Forest River Surveyor Legend 19 RBLE. Very popular model, single axle, lightweight, towable by most vehicles. Beautiful things about this trailer. One, in the front here, you get a nice, big, beautiful window, great for stargazing or simply seeing who's checking out your new rig because they're gonna want to after they see this. Coming over here, we have nice, big pass-through storage. Nice and wide, you can fit your barbecue, chairs. You also get a tire pressure monitoring system as well for your single axles, which is pretty nice, especially if you want to know what's going on back there. Slam latch doors. You get a nice big power awning, which covers your entrance and your outside kitchen. It's nice and black, so you want to see any mildew staining at all over time. You get outside speakers. You get Asdel composite walls as well. That's gonna help against mildew, better insulation, better soundproofing, and just the better longevity of the trailer itself. You're also gonna have a PVC roof up top, heated enclosed underbelly with 12-volt T-pads, Goodyear endurance tires, which is really, really nice, paired with some extra torsion axles. You're also gonna get some nice big rear storage here as well. Solid steps. Easy to use, they're solid, they have adjustable legs. And then once you're done with them, sweep them off. You'll throw them in between your door and they're put away. You also get this friction hinge door, black tempered glass door, it looks really slick. Over here we have our charge controller here, Bluetooth, and of course just regular controls. And here's the layout. You get a walk around queen bed. You also get a very open living space too, so it doesn't feel claustrophobic. It's got great height inside and just a lot of beautiful features here. So starting over here, we have our huge rear pantry door, furnace. You also get a central vacuum system in here as well. Nice booth, dinette. Drops down to a bed if you need as well. Plenty of storage, blackout blinds around, big windows. It's really, really nice. You do get an option to swap it out for theater seats if you want. The kitchen here is pretty sweet too. You get 2-burner stove, a deep black stainless steel sink. You get this really nice kind of copper look here, dual gauge nozzle. And then you even have this beautiful cutting board here that you can also use for additional countertop space. So you get a pretty large chunk here, and then quick and easy, boom, boom. Now hopefully you're cooking outside, but sometimes you do get caught in the rain and you want to still have a functional kitchen space. Down here we got a few different drawers with extended handles here, spot for a spice rack, a built-in convection microwave oven with air fryer capability. You get this nice, gorgeous 10 cubic foot Furrion 12-volt refrigerator. So we get lots of space in here, nice and deep. Furrion AC unit up top. It's ducted across as well, be a little bit less noisy, a little bit more quiet, better airflow. Over here in the front, you're gonna get a true queen 60 by 80 bed. Spot for more clothes. Anything else you might need. You have a couple attachments down there for your central vac. A couple of drawer glides here as well for any of your clothes. You get a nice deep wardrobe space here as well. Now one thing I do like about this is the nightstand. You get a really nice, you get a little nice hidden nightstand here. You get this nice big open window here. And of course if you're not stargazing or looking out, you know, you can always drop it down and it's nice and dark as well. You're gonna get a 12-volt TV here with you too. You're stuck in here, you can watch some Netflix if you want. And then over here, we're gonna get a nice big open bathroom. So big shower, nice vanity with backlighting. You'll have access to your 12-volt pad heaters, on-demand hot water, big closet space. You'll also get a 4-speed Furrion electric fan up top. And that is the 19 RBLE. So thank you guys so much for watching. And as always, my name's Alex Quinn, and I'm grateful that you guys make it through these videos. So thank you so much, and let the journey begin. Take care.